Well, today we're not touring around Charlottetown. Nope. I'm just out touring around in the country. I'm on my way actually to Cavendish. Me and my little friend here. I don't know, we might make some video, we might not. We'll see how things go. We left the girls at home. They're Jasmine's doing homework, Heidi's helping her, and I'm no use to them, either of them, so. It's a beautiful country out here. Rolling hills and valleys, and it's up and down and curves all around here. I'll show you. Ah, we're at the top of a hill. That looks a little steep. It's because it is a lot steep. I don't know what the grade on this is. It's got to be like 20. Whee! Well, how these people get up these hills in the winter. Oh, well, I can see all the sand on the road. That's probably how they really sand this. It's crazy steep. Oh, and that way out there, oh, you can't see it. There it is now. Way off in the distance, that's the Atlantic Ocean. We'll maybe go down and see. Go for a dip, maybe. Hey, Weasel? Or Ratatasker? No, we don't want to get you all salty. Well, this is the road into the Cavendish Park, the beach area. Oh, and the camping area too. I've never been in the camping area. I don't know what it's like. But, there we go, Prince Edward Island, Cavendish National Park. Oh, would you look at that? It's just like any national park. You got a gatehouse with a beaver on it. Nobody here though. It's closed for the season, but it's open for the season. Yeah, don't charge you on the off season to come in, and they just leave it opened up. Okay, campground. I bet they've got the campground closed. I'm not even gonna bother going there. Let's just go down to the beach and see what that's like. Well, this is the parking lot for the beach. Doesn't look very busy. Well, let's park anyways, and we'll go out and... Oh, there's somebody here. Wow. Let's go and see what it's like out there. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not, but it's gonna get windy over here. I can see it. Oh yeah. Well, let's go. We'll go right to the water. Oh, that's a nice gust. Now, this is the boardwalk. Those are the sand dunes you're not allowed to go on. That's where you wash your feet. Or all of you. Get the salt off you after going swimming in this frigid water. Here we are. You can see how it's all rough by the beach there. That's ice and sand. Erosion in action. The sand's all going down to this end of the beach today. Tomorrow it might come back. It goes all over the place. Look at these stairs. That's you know, that would only take a couple hours to do. Yeah, it's cold here. Freaking windy. Wow. on, hurry up, this is cold. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on. Maybe I will have to go to it. Oh, here's the big one. Woo-wee. Yeah, not so big. Oh yeah, that's cold. See the sand moving. Oh, now the wind quits. There we go. It's like a desert here. Except there's water over here. This poor little guy. Flying in the wind. It's too windy for him. Well, let's get back to the car. This is crazy cold. Wowee. That was some cold. Hey, Weasel. Where's your other ear? There it is. That's better. That's freaking crazy out there. It's, what is it? It's 0 degrees today. Oh, it says it's +3 right now in the car. This is 0, and the wind chill is like -13. Yeah, I believe it. Anyways, let's drive around. Let's go down, see if we can get down to the other beach. Or, it's not much of a beach, it's more cliffs and stuff. Well, I've never got into this part before. Oh, there's no exit that way. I guess there's a residence. Oh, no exit that way and this way. Look at that. I guess I gotta go back. There is it says no exit, but this road does connect to the other beach. I know it does. I just can't drive down it with so much snow on it. So let's go back. Well, here's the Outlook, or Overlook. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, you can go stand out there, freeze your butt off, and look at the ocean. If you come down here, you can look at Cavendish Beach. I was just down there, where that boardwalk thing is, down there. So, it is freezing, and yeah, I don't want to go out there again. Hey, look, they've got poison ivy here. Hooray! That's my favorite plant. So this, you can get down to Cavendish Beach from here. It's kind of the unknown way for the tourists. You see the parking over here, that's for buses. A lot of the tourists don't come to this area because, unless they're on a bus, they don't know about it. So it has less tourists on the beach. There's a plethora of other little beaches around here, all over the island, that are great to use, and they're not full of tourists. We like doing that, just going where the tourists aren't, especially for the beach. Going and teasing them downtown, that's another story. It's fun. I guess it's the city of Charlottetown, or maybe it's the tourism board, that they put a troupe of actors out to roam around the downtown and stay in character as the Anne of Green Gables people, as well as the founders of Confederation. So it's kind of neat to see these people wandering around downtown and to chat with them. It's fun to tease the tourists too, because, well, tourists are fun to tease. That's why. Well, this is North Rustico, a little town, fishing village, I guess. The boats are, I've passed them, catch those on the way out. This is the tourist trap part up here. Well, kind of tourist trap, right? You got the restaurants and boutique, and then off to our left you have a beach where you can go swimming. You know what? I think there might even be a lifeguard at this one. But again, this one isn't very busy at all. Cute little cottages. You used to be able to drive right on out onto the beach there, but yeah, we've got a bit of a snowbank there, so we won't. Up here on the left is little fish shacks. Aren't they cute? That's where they keep all their lobster traps or nets for the winter. Let's go down this way. This is where they keep the boats. So here's the line of boats. I'm not gonna bother counting them. There's over 20 anyways. But yeah, they stick them here for the winter. Oh, look, that one's for sale. Probably the quota isn't, but yeah, so let's throw them up on shore. There's some more down here. Oh, there's the ocean again. Cold, unforgiving. Anyways, it doesn't usually look black, just on really overcast days. It looks kind of green most of the time. So I'm just coming back into Cavendish. It's just up here. I toured through the park and stopped in North Rustico. I got some supplies, and I'm gonna head back to the farm. Well, this is Cavendish proper. That's the main intersection anyways. Yep, this is it. There's the post office, Green Gables post office, the Petrocan, and the graveyard where Lucy Maud Montgomery is buried. Yep. And now we just get back into the tourist stuff. Anna Green Gables house and Anna Green Gables golf course. So this is Stanley Bridge Marina. Those are the docks that they bring in every year. And if you ever want to harvest mussels, take a look at these. They're covered in mussels. You come in the fall and you harvest the mussels off of the docks. You'll get a good feed of mussels. They're only a year old, or a season old, but hey, they're mussels. And here is where the Coast Guard puts all the buoys. They just throw them here on shore. They're a good source of mussels as well, but I think you go to jail for trying to do anything with them. Yeah. So yeah, this is Stanley Bridge Marina. This is where we launch out of when we go boating. It's got a ramp, and yeah, it's got a ramp and a lobster pound and some little fisherman shacks. And you can get gas here too. Looks like you can park your boat here too. There's Anna Gale 1. It's a pretty thin bottom paint that. Okay, let's head back to the farm now. Well, I'm back. I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Please click clicky things. Tomorrow, let's do some more touring. Why not? It's fun touring around. I guess where tourist comes from. Oh, wash your hands, wear a mask, be nice to people, no hugs.